Hi friends, I am very happy to introduce one of the best learning aid in class 8 Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kit, which is the expansion of a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is known as an identity in algebra. An identity is algebraic expression, an equation which is always true for any valid values for the variable. But it is a very difficult proof to remember, and it's a very difficult identity to remember. Some of the students find hard to recollect this identity during the examination. So we are here with a learning aid that helps you to learn this identity proof. Also, it helps you to remember this identity very easily. So I'm going to demonstrate. Welcome to a plus b the whole square expansion. Let us take a square. The side of the square is a and this side is also a. Therefore, the area of this square is going to be a square. Let us take one rectangle in which one side is b. Therefore, the total length of this square is going to be a plus b. And as you can see here, this side is a. Therefore, this opposite side of this green rectangle is also a. And this side is b. Therefore, the side of this small square is also going to be b. So when you consider this big square, the side of this big square is a plus b over here, and in this side it is a plus b, and over here it is a plus b, and over here it is a plus b. So the big square is a square with the side a plus b. Hence the area of this square is going to be side into side, which is a plus b times a plus b, which is equal to a plus b the whole square. Therefore, the total area of this big square is a plus b the whole square. Let us find out this area in another way. I am separating all the pieces. The area of this square is going to be a into a, which is a square. Area of this rectangle, you know, one side is a, another side is b. Therefore, its area is a into b. And the area of this rectangle is also a into b because they are identical. And as you can see, the side of this square is b, another side is b. Therefore, the area of this square is going to be b square. Therefore, the total area is equal to a square plus ab plus b square. This AB and AB we can combine. Therefore, it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, we proved the difficult identity, which is a plus b the whole square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b square.
ISRT Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kits. Any കണക്കിന് 100-100